Hi, welcome. Now let us discuss about the problem which is asked in JAM 2021. Okay, conducted by IISC Bangalore, Indian Institute of Science. So in this problem, here you see in the screen that which of the following statement is true? Okay, statement first says that exists isomorphism from Z plus. Okay, Z plus to a R. Okay, is this statement true or false? Okay, if true, fine, prove it. If false, give counter example or the valid logic. Okay, which can reject it. Okay, so this option first says that f from z plus to r plus is isomorphic, but I give you the one line logic that since you know about the theorem, as you see, and this theorem says that homomorphic image of a cyclic group is cyclic. Okay, homomorphic image of a cyclic group is cyclic. Since this is our group is cyclic, this is an infinite cyclic group. Okay, but this fails to be a cyclic. How can you generate the homomorphism from the cyclic to a non-cyclic? Since theorem says that homomorphic image of a cyclic group is cyclic. Okay, if the negation of this theorem or this statement that if the homomorphic image is not cyclic, which implies that pre-image also not cyclic. Okay, pre-image also not cyclic, but here pre-image is cyclic. Okay, here pre-image is given to be a cyclic one. Okay, so our first option is wrong. Okay, but still you can prove this by using the homomorphism. But f from r plus to z plus defined as f of x equal x का greatest integer function. Check whether this is homomorphism or not. Okay, I have given you the hint. Now option second says that from z to q plus. The same logic in this problem, in this option as well, same logic which we have already used. Okay, since our q plus fails to be cyclic. Okay, have anyone doubt that QZ is a cyclic? So let us prove. Suppose Q plus is cyclic. If Q is cyclic, okay, if Q under the additions is cyclic, then there exists some element which generates the each element of Q. Let me call that M upon N. Okay. So yes, let me call that M upon N. Since each element of rational can be expressed in this form such that M is a natural number and M is an integer. Okay, but both remains co-prime each other. This you know already about it. Okay, and Q is generated by this. Okay, we choose 1 by 5n belong Q plus. Okay, now does M upon N generates 1 by 5n? How to check this? Alpha M upon N equal 1 by 5n. Okay, this is what alpha M equal 1 by 5. Okay, does there exist, since M is what? M is an integer. Okay, M is integer, and alpha, since the order of since the generator is always chosen to be an integral values. Okay, so alpha is an integer, M is an integer, product of two integers comes to be an integer, so this is integer. Does any integer equal to 1 by 5? Okay, this cannot be possible, hence Q plus fails to be a cyclic. Okay, but our Z is cyclic. This is cyclic, but this is non-cyclic, so apply the logic which I have already given in the previous option, that homomorphic image of a cyclic group cannot be non-cyclic. Okay, homomorphic image of a cyclic group is always cyclic. Here our Z is cyclic but Q fails to be a cyclic. Okay, those who have doubt that Q can be cyclic, I have proved. Okay, straightforward proof. Okay, so now let us go to the option third. Option third says that f from Q modulo Z plus 2 Q modulo 2Z plus. Does there exist homomorphism? Does these two groups are isomorphic or not? Okay, for the isomorphic there need to be a first homomorphic. Okay, so this both group are infinite group and both has each element is finite. The two things these two groups has common. Let me define this f of x plus z. Okay, f of x plus z equal to, okay, why I am here keeping 2x plus 2z. Okay, this is the definition, this is the defining. Okay, by this way you can prove that this is homomorphism. Okay, check whether this is 1 1 or not. Check whether this is clearly this is homomorphism. How? Let x plus y plus z equal 2 of x plus y plus 2z clearly. Okay, and this is what 2x plus 2y and this is 2z. Okay, I hope you know this is, since the image of non-integral element is twice of that. Okay, so here non-integral part x plus y and we have twice this. Okay, apply this formula and this is what 2x plus 2z 2y plus 2z. Apply this formula. 2x plus 2z is equal to f of x plus z. So can I write here f of x plus z? F of x plus z and here f of y plus z. So clearly this is homomorphism. Okay, so now let us check whether this is 1 1 or not. Since we know that any mapping is said to be a 1 1 if the kernel of that mapping contains the singleton identity. Okay, any mapping is said to be a 1 1 if this condition holds. So let us see that how many elements in this mapping which goes to the identity of 2z. Since, okay, identity of 2z is what? 2z. Okay, and here is identity is f of z. So how many element which goes to, so let me take alpha plus z is arbitrary element of qz. Okay, so f of alpha plus z equal 2z. Because we are finding that set of all those elements of this set which has identity image in this set. Okay, so I have chosen alpha plus z is an arbitrary element of q modulo z. Okay, and this is what identity of q modulo 2z. Image of this is what? 2x plus 2z means f of non-integral plus z equal twice of non-integral plus 2z. Okay, so this is what? Twice of non-integral plus 2z. This is equal to z. Okay, clearly. Do you know about that alpha plus h equal h, same as saying that alpha in h? Do you know about this theorem? As you have studied in the subgroup chapter. Okay, alpha plus h equal h implies that alpha in h. So similarly here 2 alpha into z. Okay, so each alpha has comes to be in 2z. So this is what? Identity element. Okay, so there is a unique element. Here kernel of this mapping is 2z. Okay, once kernel is 2z, so this is 1 1. Now check whether this is onto or not. Clearly this is onto. Okay, why? Because for every element of this set there exists a pre-image in this set. Okay, for every 2 beta plus 2z in Yao modulo 2z, there exists some alpha plus z such that f of alpha plus z equal to beta plus 2z. Okay, clearly, because image of identity element is identity and non-identity element cannot be image identity. Okay, because as we have proved that 2 alpha into z, what does this imply? This implies that 2 alpha is an element of 2z. Okay, the only possibility left is what? That alpha is an integer. Alpha is integer. Okay, because alpha is an integer, so twice of it comes to be in 2z, which implies that alpha plus z is nothing but z. So whatever which element we have initially chosen alpha plus z, that is just z. Okay, so only one element z whose image is 2z in this mapping. Okay, so here kernel is a singleton. Kernel contains singleton, so this is 1 1 as well as onto as well. Why onto? Because every element of this set, whichever element you choose from here, there must exist some element in Q modulo z such that the image of that Q modulo z is in that. Okay, how? Because let I have chosen fourth option says that does Q modulo z plus isomorphic to Q plus or not? Does this possible or not? Okay, suppose this possible. Okay, suppose on the contrary that this is possible, I can finish this just by giving an example, but I want to make your intuition level high in logical form of mathematics. Okay, so in order to keep that thing in mind, I am going the theoretical approach. Okay, suppose these two are isomorphic. Okay, suppose isomorphism hold. If once these two are isomorphic, if these two are isomorphic, then this must be 1 1 as well. Okay, which implies that f is 1 1, which implies that kernel f contains singleton. What is the identity of Q? Singleton 0. Okay, kernel f contains singleton 0. Okay, but here now see the logic in Q modulo z. Each element is a finite order, but here only one element which is of finite order, that is an identity, that is a 0. Okay, in Q plus there is only one element which is finite order, that is 0. But here every element is finite order, although both groups are infinite order. Okay, so how can you generate the homomorphism? Does the image of finite element is an infinite element? Is this true or not? Okay, if not, how can you generate? The only way which left is that you send each element of Q modulo z to the identity of Q. Once you do this, then this fails to be a 1 1. Once this fails to be 1 1, that cannot be isomorphism. There cannot exist isomorphism. Okay, I hope you have understood the logic. So thanks for watching the video.